My lord, by order dated, the NFT was
So
asked
then
to
if
hear
it
the
is,
representative of
Mr.
diverse
Mr. Moitzo, we must be conscious of the fact, in spite of that, the status report is being filed before the Honorable
that status report, my lord, with regard to the safety and other, my lord, ancillary aspect of the.
No, no, no.
It is not, my lord. Let us assume, my lord, status report was submitted regarding the investigation. Investigation was over at that time. What was status report? That 43 witnesses were examined and trial is being proceeded with. This is the status report. We are not concerned with that, my lord. Let the trial reach its logical conclusion. We are not, my lord, standing in the way. What was our grievance, my lord? That in the charge sheet, CBI itself has said that further investigation is going on. My lord, your lordship is surprised to see at page 7.
I'll come to you. Let me hear them first. I'll listen to you.
Lord,
Yes, what is
Lord,
your
no,
instruction?
Lord, agony. We were addressing to that issue. First, my lord, charge sheet was filed against the principal accused.
I'm not entering into that
Now,
zone. I'll
three-
ask.
my lord, after
Tell
filing
me,
of the charge
what
sheet, yes.
status report is regarding the writ court's satisfaction or
No, for
Article
the
1.
progress of further investigation. 3 status reports has been filed.
So-
That too after filing of the first charge sheet.
Tell me one thing, sir. I'm not bothered about anything regarding the investigation right now. What I'm much more bothered is that whether the prayers before the Honorable Supreme Court. So, where the High Court is concerned, there is no monitoring. I have seen that.
No, but if your lordship take down the order, there is number of writ petition was moved. There are at least 5-6 writ petition was moved.
Before the Calcutta High Court.
Yes. Public interest litigation. They are showing only their petition before your lordship. There are 5-6 petition was moved on the same day. So prayer was to transfer the matter to CBI. The High Court has entrusted us to take up the investigation.
No, I have no issue regarding that. You are doing the investigation. I have no issue regarding that. Tell me whether the prayer for monitoring was there in any of the writ petitions before the higher court.
But High Court, your lordship.
Either the Honorable High Court or the
I
Supreme
think
Court.
so. But I think High Court order, there is a monitoring of investigation report was supposed to be filed before the High Court. That was the order. I cannot give me 5 minutes.
In fact, Mr. Mujumdar is correct. Mr.
Let
Mujumdar
him
is
keep
correct.
quiet for the time being. I
Yes.
am doing the investigation. Let him keep quiet for the time being.
No, I am supporting you.
Yeah, whatever it may be, I don't need his support. I don't need his support. We are an independent agency. We will not apprise your lordship what is what investigation we are doing, and pursuant to this court's order and Supreme Court's order, periodically the status report is being filed before the Supreme Court.
So only thing is that, Mr. Moitzo, what is hurting my conscience is that 2 superior courts are insisting of the matter. Anyway or the other, they are insisting of the matter.
May I make the position clear? Supreme Court, my lord, never monitoring the investigation. There is no indication in any of the order passed by the Supreme
Now,
Court.
the difficulty which I will be facing if I take up the matter is that, one, if some other superior court is monitoring the investigation,
No, there is no such.
there will be a lack of judicial discipline if I take.
I bow down to your lordship, my lord. Had there been so, my lord, we never came up before your lordship. There is no indication in any of the order passed by the apex court that they are monitoring the investigation. Rather, my lord, accepting the status report with regard to the pending proceeding, my lord, all the orders indicating other aspect of the matter, leaving the very core issue, which was, my lord.
Mr. Moitzo, had it been a criminal revision, I could have understood.
My lord, when criminal revision and Article 226, as your lordship knows best, my lord.
Criminal revision.
So, for investigation part is concerned, there is no distinction, my lord.
No, basically, trial court is taking up the matter in criminal revisional jurisdiction. I could have interfered. Now, since you have come up with an original application, this is an original application, basically.
But this is a continuous mandamus. This is, my lord, a glaring example where continuous mandamus is needed. And your lordship is very much aware, my lord, as you have learned from your lordship, my lord, in such circumstances, continuous mandamus is the only remedy.
Continuous mandamus, other courts are also constitutional courts.
So far, my lord, the other courts are concerned. Let us take up, my lord, division bench. When, my lord, division bench was moved, question of further investigation was not in the picture, my lord. This further investigation, how, my lord, cropped up? Your lordship is surprised to see, my lord, page 71 of the petition. And my lord, we have come up with a very modest order, modest prayer, that your lordship monitor the investigation. It will not, my lord, cause prejudice to anybody.
No, but if the same is done by the superior courts,
No, it has not done, my lord. Had it been done, my lord, we have gone before that court. We have, my lord, only any of the order, there is any indication, my lord, that the court is ceasing of the monitoring the investigation. No. And my lord, up to number of cases, as your lordship knows best, my lord, that Supreme Court, our High Court and also Supreme Court, my lord, held. Kindly look at, my lord, the first order of the Supreme Court. Order. First order.
Supreme Court.
High Court.
Oh, High Court.
And that matter, my lord, time to time it is being deferred because the matter is in the session of para 40.
Here is the
Sir, division bench has said this. You have got to take this matter to the division bench.
Beg your lordship, my lord, pardon.
See paragraph 40.
Periodical regulation. But my lord, one difficulty is there, my lord. After this order, whether, my lord, the division bench,
That I cannot say. You bring clarification from the bench, I will interfere, sir. I'm taking so many matters, I have got no inhibition in taking up the matters.
my lord,
But I must
another
be-
aspect, my lord.
Before application of my mind, I must be satisfied that I do not become or fall in circumstances of judicial indiscipline.
My lord, my lord, we shall not be party to that. We are, my lord, very much aware of that. But my lord, one thing, lordship, kindly consider. Central Bureau of Investigation shall file periodically report before this court as to the progress of the investigation of the, my lord, initiated from the FIR. Now that investigation is over.
Mr. Moitu, you bring up
But kindly appreciate, my lord.
satisfying.
But there is
Mr. Moitu, I'm telling you, you bring a clarification order from the division bench, I'll take up the matter. I've got no issues. I've got no issues, sir. I'm taking up so many matters, and most of the part of my life I've spent in criminal courts.
my lord,
Ah,
my lord, kindly, my lord, appreciate one aspect, my lord. That so far investigation part is concerned, that is over.
I cannot now say further investigation is continuation of the investigation, sir.
No
Cannot
doubt
be
of that.
segregated from.
No doubt of that.
I do not want to interpret that order of the division bench. Get a clarification order, I will definitely interfere with the. Get a clarification because a paragraph is written, they have rightly pointed out. So, where will the investigating officers go and report in how many forums? You tell me. They will be wasting time in courts rather than investigating the
Thereafter, my lord, what division bench had done, my lord, kindly see. Division bench, my lord, has said that since matter is subject,
I cannot.
Judicial propriety, your lordship.
no doubt
I
of that,
cannot
my lord.
hear
I am
anything,
very
sir.
much conscious of judicial propriety, Mr. Majumdar.
Supreme
But
Court has seen a
one
matter,
thing your lordship
not
kindly
appearing.
appreciate. I am not on, my lord, the original investigation. I have not come up, my lord, in respect to the original investigation.
So, Moitsu, if I have got to decide this point, you will be in danger, I'm telling you, on this point of investigation, because paragraph 40 is clear, which he pointed out. Bring a clarification order, I'll take up the matter. I am not saying that I'm not going to take up the matter, but at least I should be clear over here mentally that I am entering into the merits of the matter pursuant to the authority I have been vested with.
Then, my lord, fix it, my lord, 1 week after vacation,
So I'm coming on 13th.
13th.
You can do it before other benches also.
No. Your lordship heard this matter, your lordship applied your lordship's mind.
Let them get a clarification order,
I
sir.
have no issue, my lord. My lord, it is my duty, my
No,
lord.
no,
Officer of the court to apprise your
it
lordship.
is
on
my
what is-
anxiety also, sir.
No, my lord,
I don't want the investigating officers to run around in 4-5 courts and without investigation, they'll be spending time in this type of courts. There's a trial court where trial is going on. They're also trying to work out
My
on
lord,
issues.
I am told, my lord, that whenever after this order matter came up before the division bench.
Yes, that exactly I said. Because there is a judicial propriety. That is the reason to division bench did
Now, my lord,
entertain the matter.
So don't criticize the division bench and Supreme Court. Would not. Um, so, Mr. Moitul,
And my lord, it is my duty also apprised to your lordship. All the issues what Mr. Moitri is, my lord, is referring this petition. We are already addressing those issues. We are working on it. My lord.
give me that order, sir. Give the order you
Yes.
pointed out.
High Court order. High Court order.
No, only one thing may I be pointed out. May I be permitted?
Yes, yes. Your name will be recorded. Yes, Mr. Shengupto. Where are you staying? You are not
Yes,
communicable.
Millard.
Ah.
That is the whole difficulty. My network is very poor.
How
Millard,
is I do not know.
Millard,
Yes, Mr. Shen.
Mr. Mojumdar knows Millard. Mr. Mojumdar is representing the CBI. CBI has time to time filed the Millard progress report before the apex court. Millard, that is also on record. The apex court in the scene of the matter is apex court directly or indirectly Millard monitoring the entire investigation.
My lord,
It will
how
be
would
applied.
Mr. Shengupto, my lord, get interested
Lord,
in this matter?
Let him not address your lordship. My lord, he is appearing for one of the accused, my lord. So for the time
One of
he-
the accused.
Yes, because he
I
largely
am not accused. I am not the accused.
My lord, he has got no locus.
got the principal.
No, no, no.
Like,
I am appearing on behalf of the eight. No, Mr. Mujumdar.
Oh, Arjikar Hospital. He appeared for the Arjikar Hospital.
My lord, how
Yes.
he has, my lord, got
What
any
locus
interest?
he has?
No, definitely you have served him. That is why he is appearing.
Yes.
So you have made him a party. Why he will not have a right of audience? আয়া করেছে আবার কি? আচ্ছা, one thing I am directing all
Yes.
the parties.
Yes.
Inadvertently, a junior advocate has done some mistake. I've clarified that. Please
I
return
know. I
all the petitions to
I
the
know, my lord. It is,
to
it
the
is.
junior advocate.
Yes, yes. We'll
My lord,
return it.
respondent number 8 is head of the department, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Arjigol Medical College.
correct.
He is appearing on.
Correct. I am
My lord,
appearing
how
for
is
him.
he, my
I
lord,
am
be
holding the
concerned with
Apparat Mama. He is here.
Why have you made him a party?
My lord, it is a mistake.
Why have you made him a party?
My lord,
That gives the right.
it is a mistake,
Mr.
my lord.
Mohitra chooses
Party করতে গেলে।
Difficulty
he
in
has a
writ
party
petitions.
and
The
now
criminal
objecting
division, they
on
state
his
one party
submission.
will deal with that.
Strange.
So why you manage a separate council then?
Of the CBI and submits that the investigating agency in course of further investigation is progressing with the further investigation of the case. Mr. Shengupto Olaneed, senior government advocate, appears for the
Will kindly
respondent number.
do not put me in the senior government advocate. I am Mr. Shengupta appearing as an advocate, representing the respondent number 8.
You are senior government advocate. তবে লিখবো না কেন? 8.
Government officer, law officer.
Of course. But I am appearing
Personal
on
capacity he is appearing. He is trying to say on personal capacity he is appearing.
How? How he can appear?
He's saying that, na?
correct.
Respondent number 8.